Hi, this is a Baby Sidewinder ceiling fan made by Westinghouse. It's from the 1920s and it's pretty nice. When I got it, it had been painted silver, so I took it apart, sandblasted it. The guy that bought it wanted red blades, black body. So I painted it up, got a new switch for it, and sidewinders are kind of interesting because the whole top of the fan spins with the blades. And I also got a speed control, like a wall mount speed control. So there it is turned on. It turns on at full speed, but then you can turn it down to a pretty low speed, relatively low. You can set how slow you want it to go for the slow speed. I haven't had a chance to mess with it. Nice fan. The speed control is definitely a good idea. These old ceiling fans went pretty fast. I'm going to crank it up to high speed now. And the Baby Sidewinders are single speed, where its larger brother, like the standard Sidewinders, are 2 or 3 speed. And there it is, Baby Sidewinder.